So basically what I did with my poster was I chose the pink and maroon color combo, I guess, was because it looked the best. The green, the blues, yellows, they all didn't look as well as the maroon and the pink together. So that was just kind of like a design decision, basically. And then for the fists, Sydney White, it's a movie, and basically at one point they run for student government to show popular people who's boss, I guess, so to speak. And so it just kind of reminded me of that. So I just thought since my example of unreceptive language was government, I thought it was appropriate to use the fist as banding together kind of thing. And then as for the font, I chose something more scripty, more scriptish, I guess, because it kind of softens the blow of the hard topic that government is and how it's hard to talk about it with other people because we all have our own opinions about government and some of them don't align and then it becomes a big ordeal. But this one I just made so it was a lot easier to read as this one's gonna be kind of hard to read in this font. Anyway, that's it.